When you search for the best ceramic coating for black cars, everything looks the exact same. Same shiny bottles, same promises. But to understand what actually protects your pride and joy, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Cerakote Rapid Tire Coat. First up, we have the Cerakote Rapid Ceramic Tire Coat for $14.95. This caught my attention because it's labeled as a bestseller. If you want your tires to look showroom new and last longer, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Cerakote Rapid Tire Coat brings back that glossy shine, and it lasts up to 10 times longer than traditional tire shines. Nobody wants that greasy look. This formula dries to the touch and repels dirt, dust, and road grime, keeping your tires looking fresh longer. With a solid 4.6-star rating from over 3,700 reviews, it's clear that buyers are happy. Now, some people complained about the application being a bit tricky if you're not careful. Here's the thing though, if you follow the simple instructions, you'll avoid that. Just wash your tires, apply with the foam applicator, and wipe off the excess. This is perfect for you if you love a high-gloss tire finish and want something that lasts. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick spray-and-go solution. For the price, the value is excellent. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for keeping your plastic trim looking fresh. Product number 2, Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat. Next, we have the Cerakote Ceramic Trim Coat Kit for $16.88. This one caught my eye because it promises to restore and protect your plastic trim, which is a common issue for black car owners. If you want to revive old trim, this is worth a serious look. The beauty of this product is that it actually cures to your vehicle's plastics, restoring that fresh look while providing protection against UV rays. It's rated to last over 200 washes, meaning you won't have to reapply every month. With a 4.5-star rating from over 25,400 reviews, it's a go-to for many. Some users mention that it can be a bit messy if you're not careful with the wipes. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it's straightforward. Just clean your trim, dry it, and use the pre-saturated wipes. It's that easy. This is perfect for you if your car's trim is looking faded and you want an easy restoration solution. Skip this one if you prefer a spray format or have minimal trim to deal with. For the price, you're getting quality restoration without the greasy mess. Now, if the application mess from the last product bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach to detailing. Product number 3, Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat. Moving on, let's talk about the Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat, priced at $22.99. With over 83,000 reviews and a solid 4.3-star rating, it's hard to ignore. If you want a quick detailing solution, this is worth a serious look. What's great about this product is it combines car wax, a waterless wash, and ceramic coating in one step. Yes, one. You spray it on, wipe it off, and in under 10 minutes your car has that glossy finish. The nano-ceramic technology chemically bonds to the paint, providing a hydrophobic layer that makes water bead off and dirt stick less. This means less washing and more driving. Now, some folks found that it doesn't work as well on heavily soiled cars. Here's the thing though, this product shines when your car is relatively clean. It's a detailing spray, not a miracle worker. This is perfect for you if you want a fast and effective way to keep your car looking fresh without the hassle. Skip this one if your car is in dire need of deep cleaning first. For the convenience, it's a great value. Alright, that was a unique approach. But let's look at something specifically formulated for black cars next. Product number 4, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Polish. Next up is the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Car Polish and Wax at $18.89. This one definitely grabbed my attention because it's specifically designed for black vehicles. If you want to restore and protect your black paint, this is worth a serious look. The black pigmented carnauba wax enhances color depth and clarity, giving your car that deep, glossy finish we all want. With a 4.5-star rating from over 3,100 reviews, it's clear that black car owners are fans. Some users mention that it can be a bit tricky to apply evenly by hand. I'll be real with you, if you're not careful, it might leave streaks. But if you use it with a machine polisher, it's a breeze. This is perfect for you if you're serious about maintaining the appearance of your black car. Skip this one if you prefer a simpler application method or have a lighter color vehicle. For the quality and results, it's a solid investment. And if you appreciated the polish, this next one is a spray that builds on that idea. Product number 5, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Spray Wax. Finally, we have the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Ceramic Acrylic Black Car Wax Spray for $15.80. This caught my eye because it's another option specifically for black cars, offering quick application. If you need a fast way to restore your car's appearance, this is worth a serious look. This spray wax fills in light scratches and swirl marks while providing a high-gloss finish. It's infused with black pigmented carnauba wax, enhancing the depth and clarity of your black paint. The UV defense helps protect against fading and damage, and with a 4.5-star rating from 4,000 reviews, it has a good reputation. Some people found that it doesn't last as long as traditional waxes. Here's the thing though, this is meant for quick touch-ups and maintenance between washes, not a long-term solution. This is perfect for you if you want a quick and easy way to keep your black car looking sharp. Skip this one if you're looking for something with long-lasting durability. For the price and ease of use, it's a fantastic option. So there you have it. We've covered the Cerakote Rapid Tire Coat, Cerakote Trim Coat, Shine Armor Fortify Quick Coat, Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions Polish, and Turtle Wax Spray Wax. Each of these products has its strengths, so think about what works best for your specific needs. Remember, keeping that black car shiny and protected is all about finding the right product for you.